Hello friends, let's analyze Nifty first. Today Nifty opened with a gap up of 0.57%, around 20,110 mark. The reason for our market's gap up opening is positivity in US markets. Tech index in US, which is Nasdaq, closed with 1.1% gains, led by Tesla. Tesla shares rallied by 10% yesterday because Morgan Stanley has upgraded Tesla and they gave share price target of 400 per share, which is 60% upside from present trading levels. The main reason Morgan Stanley has upgraded Tesla is because the successful breakthrough Tesla has achieved with its Dojo supercomputers. These Dojo supercomputers will be used to improve self-driving of Tesla cars. Along with this news, there is another update regarding interest rates. Wall Street Journal published a report saying that there was opinion among all the Federal Reserve members not to raise rates in US Federal Reserve meet, which will take place on 19th to 20th September. And they also told that there is no urgency to raise interest rates again later this year due to reducing inflation. Until now, markets were expecting 50-50, means 50% were thinking there will be rate hike in next meet. With this news from Wall Street Journal, now market is prepared for no interest rate hike, but however there is an important event which may impact their decision, which is US August consumer price inflation data. It will be updated on 30th September, which is tomorrow evening. Our markets will be closed by then. The impact will be seen on our markets the next trading day, which is Thursday, expiry day. If we talk about CPI expectations, previous month it was 3.2%. This time, due to rising crude oil prices, the market is expecting CPI to be around 3.6%. Below that level is positive for markets. Above 3.6 is definitely negative. Let's see what will happen. So this is the main reason for our markets gap up opening. All these points that we talked till now. After gap up, the markets came down around 196 points. It was huge fall. Then after forming a base around 19,440, our markets moved till 20,040 and stayed range bound. From last 7 trading sessions, Nifty did not close in red. There was one directional rally. So today, I think it was just profit booking. With events coming today and tomorrow, today Indian CPI and tomorrow the main data, US CPI, all these events coming, it should be just people reducing their positions. If we talk about FIs data, in yesterday's video I told I am personally expecting FIs to turn positive, which happened yesterday. They bought around 1473 crore. The reason I expected FIs to turn net positive was simple logic. FIs are positive in futures and options. They were reducing their selling quantity from past 2 days, and our India's strong macroeconomics data making India a very attractive place to invest. This is the logic why I was expecting FIs to turn net positive. Let's see the data in upcoming days. If we talk about our domestic events, today evening India's inflation for August will be updated and IIP data will also be updated, but markets are waiting for US CPI more than Indian CPI. India's inflation data expectations are around 7%. It will be updated by around 6 p.m. today evening. Now let's talk about option chain range. Option chain range 19,500 to 20,200. Now let's move on to stocks news. First, let's talk about HINDALCO. HINDALCO has partnered with Metra, which is Italian company which mainly manufactures aluminium objects with predetermined shapes, and they even work on weldings. So this helps in producing high-speed aluminium rail coaches. So here HINDALCO, it is Indian company. They mainly produce aluminium wheels and they recycle aluminium. So they are combining with this Italian company which has expertise in aluminium rail coaches. This will help trains to move faster. Now let's talk about Apple. Apple is likely to launch its iPhone 15 model today in its event. Apple might sell made in India iPhones in India from today. Apple is definitely eyeing Indian markets and they are also trying to manufacture locally to diversify the risks from China. Friends, if you liked the data I have shared with you till now, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. And if you know any of your friends who follow stock markets, please share the video with them and encourage us. If there are any feedbacks regarding the video, please provide in the comments section. Now let's talk about oil marketing companies. Recently, crude oil prices are over $90 per barrel mark, but petrol or diesel prices have not been revised upwards from April 2022. It is more than 1.5 years. They were making profits till July, but recent rally in crude oil prices is bringing huge losses to oil marketing companies. All these OMCs combined, their net losses is around 1.5 lakh crores. This is the reason for negative pressure on stocks today. Today there was speculations as our government is thinking to levy additional 10% GST on diesel engine vehicles to reduce the usage of diesel engine vehicles. With these speculations, share prices fell heavily of the companies who sell diesel vehicles, and even Bosch share price fell heavily because Bosch manufactures diesel engines and they have 45% market share in diesel engines. But later around 1 o'clock, our road transport and highways minister Nitin Gadkari has updated that there is no such proposal to increase additional 10% GST on diesel engines. After this update, stocks which fell around 5% closed with minor cuts.